Overwhelmed, confused, and want to learn more about digital marketing to help you grow your business? Then watch my digital marketing video tips.
I love that.
And never, never, never let anyone dull your sparkle. Recruitment is a competitive market and finding the right candidates can be tough, so why make it harder than it needs to be? You need to fish where the fish are. Your passive candidates aren't using LinkedIn or looking at Seek or your online job boards, so how can you reach them without spending a fortune to do so? The answer is Facebook ads. Using Facebook ads, you can target a very niche and unique audience from only $5 a day, which means you get to talk to the people you need to, not a bunch of unqualified candidates. This is a game of quality, not quantity. So join me in this online workshop to find out why, how, what, where, and when you should be using Facebook ads and see the power they can have if used correctly. Plus, I'm going to share some clever shortcuts, expert tips, and some creative ways to reach your audience. You can get all the details on the link below. I'm Tanya Williams, and never let anyone dull your sparkle.